Hi, I'm Nathan Salyer, co-captain of Team 702, the Bagel Bytes, and right now we're in our last week before competition, and we are busy. With less than 5 days remaining till our first competition in Port Hueneme, here's what we've been up to. First, we're making sure every single part on the robot is competition ready, because if it isn't, we're in big trouble. Next, we had to make sure that the robot wasn't getting overweight. We've been adding a bunch of stuff, and as we add material, the weight gets higher. At the start of the week, we discovered that our robot was actually 4 pounds over the required 115 pounds. So CAD had to work really quickly to make sure we could get the robot down and underweight in time for competition. Luckily, we've been able to do that. Third, we finished up the bumpers. Technically, the wood and the pool noodle base have been done for quite a bit, but now we're wrapping them. We have a red set and a blue set for the red and the blue alliances, which we compete in over competition. We have to make sure that everything on the bumpers looks fantastic, from the alignment of the numbers to the tightness of the fabric, because other teams are judging us based off of our bumpers. If we can't put the time and effort into our bumpers, how can other teams trust that we put the time and effort into our robot? Fourth, we've been testing a bunch. Every night this week we've stayed until 9, even 10 p.m, making sure that our robot works perfectly. We've been testing stuff, seeing that it doesn't work, and then testing it again, seeing it doesn't work. Rebaking apart, testing it, it starts to work, right? We get there eventually. But what really matters is that we're constantly working to make sure that the robot is competition ready. As I record this, we're preparing to pack up to go to Port Hueneme. It's a really long, really extensive process. We have to make sure that we have every tool we might need, every battery that we have, every bolt, every spare part, anything that could possibly go wrong for the competition. We have to make sure that we account for it and bring it. We're also packing the more mundane stuff, like our business materials that we use to market our team, our pom-poms that we use to cheer in the stands, and the buttons that, as a tradition, teams give away during competition. Our 10-person drive team and pit crew drives up Friday evening to set up and then stays overnight. The rest of our team, about 24 of us, drive up Saturday morning to meet them there. We compete on Saturday and Sunday all day for both of them, so it's going to be a long and really hectic weekend. Wish us luck.